Got the Autel im608. We got an Audi TT in about 2001 to 2005. Customers fitted another set of clocks. Obviously got the immobiliser in them. Vehicle starts and cuts out after 2 seconds. We're going to give the im608, see if it can kill the immobiliser on this car. We've already read the data because it takes a while. As you can see, it's pulled the data out. So you got your pin code there, CS, and software number on there. So what we're going to do is simply open the immo, and hopefully it's going to erase the immobiliser on it for good. So ignition off, 5 seconds, back on, okay. Open immo completed. So let's see. Obviously we're going to have the key light flashing there because the key is not paired with a dash, but we're not interested in that, we're just interested in having it started. Looks like it's successful. What was that, an me711 immo kill, successful.